Hey everybody, welcome to another math video. For this one, I'll be going over the point slope form. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. I'm hoping this will be pretty straightforward. It's actually a lot more simpler than you think. Excuse me. Okay, so point slope form. So this is what it looks like, and I know what you're thinking. This is weird. Okay, but let's go through the parts. Okay, so this right here is where you're going to substitute in your y coordinate, y sub 1, your x coordinate, x sub 1. This one here, this x here stays x, this y stays y, and this m, as you recall from the slope video, is our notation for slope. Okay, so the only ones we're actually going to substitute values into are going to be the y sub 1, x sub 1, and the m. Okay, so your other y and your x without the subscript number is going to be just y and x. We'll leave those alone. Okay, so here's an example. Okay, so we're going to find the point slope form for the graph of a line with a slope of -2 that intersects the point 1, 3. Alright, so we got all the parts, right? We got the slope, which is our m, and we have our ordered pair, x, y. That's going to go into x sub 1 and y sub 1. Alright, so this is substitute in, and that's it. We're done. Because we only want to go as far as the point slope form, and this is it. This is a lot simpler than you thought it was. Alright, let's take a look at another example. So this time we want to find the point slope form for a line that passes through 2 points. Okay, so we don't have the slope. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. So it doesn't matter which ordered pair you start with, just pick one and just run with it. Okay, so I decided to go with -1, 3 as my first point. So this is the slope I got. Okay, so now we want the point slope form, so we're going to start with the point slope form, and we're going to substitute in. So you got 2 points, you can pick either one, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to do both, so I'm going to start with 1 point. So I'm going to start with -8, -2, and I'm just going to simplify the signs because I got double negatives here, so I'll simplify those, and that's what I get. Okay, now let's say we use the other point, and that's totally fine. Okay, you just do the same thing, you substitute your points in, and if you have to simplify the signs, like here I have to simplify, you just simplify your sign, and you're done. So you got 2 different point slope forms. They're both correct. Okay, so if it looks different, don't worry. It only looks different because you use a different point. So, and besides, we're only going as far as substituting the values in, and if you have to simplify any signs, that's all you do, okay? So it's a lot more simple than you thought it was. Alright, so we'll sum it all up. So we identified parts of the point slope form, and we actually got a chance to put some values in to see how it looks. So I told you guys that it wasn't going to be too hard, and I hope it wasn't. If you need to review some stuff, go back and take a look. Otherwise, that's it for this one, guys. See you next time.